Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Secret Beauty Obsession, and I'm your friend Palak. I hope you had an amazing Diwali this year because I did too. So today's video we're going to talk about how to lighten your skin tone a shade lighter or two. It will also hydrate and moisturize your skin. As winter's around the corner, we would all need such kind of remedy to hydrate and moisturize the skin. At the same time, we would also want to lighten our skin tone. So let's not waste much more time and get started with it. We'll only need few ingredients, and here are there. We'll need some cashews, some almonds, some raw milk, gulab jal. I'm using Dabur's gulab jal or rose water. Sweet almond oil. Here I'm using Badam Rogan sweet almond oil. Then some saffron stands. We are going to add almond and cashews into one bowl. Add some raw milk into it. We are going to also add some rose water into this bowl. We are going to keep it soaked for at least 5 to 10 minutes till it's completely soaked. After these ingredients are completely soaked, now I'm going to blend it. I've already blended this mixture, and make sure this mixture comes into this consistency after blending it. I'm not going to show it to you how to blend, guys. You can either use a blender or mixer grinder, whatever you like it. I'm going to add few strands of saffron I am going to add some sweet almond oil into this mixture. I'll take 1 spoon of sweet almond oil. After adding the sweet almond oil, I'm going to mix it properly. I'm going to mix all the ingredients very well. Now I'm going to show you how to apply this mixture. You can apply this mixture on your face, hands, feet, anywhere where you like. I am going to show you guys how to apply this mixture on my hands. I'm going to use my fingers to apply this mixture. So you can use a brush or anything which you like. So you have to apply a thick layer of this paste. Make sure to cover every area properly with this mixture. Meanwhile, while I'm applying this mixture and massaging it, I would like to tell you all the benefits of this mixture. Almond oil and almond has got lots of vitamin E, antioxidants, magnesium. It will help us improve our skin texture, moisturize it, hydrate it, remove all the acne marks and scars from our skin. It will also help us to lighten our skin tone. And cashews, it has got lots and lots of protein and antioxidants which will help us brighten our skin tone and lighten it. And lastly, I've got saffron strands which will help us with the acne, blemishes, hyperpigmentations and marks on our face or any body parts. It will also help in healing cuts. So all these properties are present in this mask, and it is going to give you an amazing result. So let's wait for 10 to 15 minutes till it dries off completely. Guys, my pack which I applied it's completely dried off. After drying, it would look like this. Now instead of rinsing it with water or washing it away, I am going to rub it in circular motions and remove the entire thing from my hands. Do it slowly. Guys, I've completely rubbed the mixture and removed it from my hands. Now I'm going to rinse it with cold water or tap water, whichever you like. I would prefer cold water. and then I'm going to show you the actual results after this. Guys, I washed it with tap water. Now you can see the actual results. Both my hands, this one looks more hydrated, supple and brighter compared to this one. Hi guys, you saw the amazing results from this. So if you want this remedy to work all the more better and properly for you, do apply it for continuously 7 days and you would be astounded with its results. So if you liked my video, please like, share and comment on it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.